Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're talking about the amazing benefits of consuming beetroot. You may have seen it in the produce section at your local grocery store and wondered what it's all about. Well, we're here to tell you that this vibrant and delicious vegetable has a lot to offer. So let's dive in. Beetroot is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It's a great source of vitamin C, which helps support a healthy immune system. It's also rich in potassium, which is important for healthy blood pressure and heart function. And let's not forget about iron, which is essential for healthy blood cells. One of the most well-known benefits of beetroot is its ability to improve athletic performance. That's because it contains nitrates, which the body converts to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps increase blood flow, which in turn can improve oxygen delivery to your muscles. This can result in improved endurance and less fatigue during exercise. But the benefits don't stop there. Beetroot has also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can benefit those with chronic inflammation or joint pain. It may even help lower the risk of certain types of cancer due to its antioxidant content. Lastly, beetroot is a great food to incorporate into your diet if you're looking to support healthy digestion. It's high in fiber, which can help regulate bowel movements and promote overall gut health. So there you have it, the many benefits of consuming beetroot. From improved athletic performance to anti-inflammatory properties, there are so many reasons to add this vibrant vegetable to your diet. Plus, it's delicious and can be prepared in a variety of ways. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab some beetroot and start reaping the benefits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Also, check out the link in the description for more diet ideas.